gain knowledge is like picking up stones along the way of your work. So along my years of the working experience, I have gathered some essential knowledge and I keep the photos as a reference. So now when I have time, I tidy them up and put into slides. One reason is to enhance my memory and for me to utilize them when necessary. Another one is to sharing is caring. First, start with temporary facility. Soil nail. This is one project happening in Singapore, Pearl Bank Hill, which they are using an open cut method against a hill wall. So extensive of the soil nail to embed into the soil mountain, which can achieve almost a 90-degree open cut, going down, expose the existing basement, demolish it, do the barring, and from there coming up. Currently, this project already reached the superstructure. Next one is RC structuring, commonly being used in China and some of the Southeast Asia countries, but is very seldom being used in Singapore because RC structuring required longer operation hour and slower for demolish. Of course, also the noise is a lot. So on the right hand side is one of the project in China. So they're using the RC structuring at the four corner, where center they can achieve an open ring. From there to do a bottom up. Next one is the metal decking and the tower crane erection. Tandem hoisting means that the two tower crane hoisting one elements together by doing the coordination to achieve the tail angle and achieve the hoisting target. So this is another sample of the construction metal decking and floating tower crane. Normally, tower crane is on the ballpark, and that ballpark must be very well embedded into the soil to gain the bearing capacity. But sometimes want to early start the tower crane and erect the tower crane at a higher level, then floating design is required. Sometimes we design at the ballpark, sometimes we design as a steel structure tin post, and what's being shown in the photo. Next one is the construction access decking, which can enable the construction vehicles to park within the job sites. This is commonly being used at the city downtown area when all the surrounding have building or public road. So we have to create a new space within the job site itself. Like in this photo, 3 number of the elephant bump and close to 10 number of the concrete truck are parked on the site at one time, which can achieve the efficiency of the basement construction. Another one is a tower crane. Tower crane is like a bird. It can get very high and lift the construction materials from the ground floor all the way to the roof. In this photo, it goes so high that it's above the cloud, high up. Another one is when the steel structure is one-off operation, helicopter is the best choice. So this is some of the PPVC module hoisting. and the heavy-duty tower crane is being deployed to hoist the concrete box with finishing and M&E together. So each box can be as heavy as 20 or 30 tons. So a normal crane cannot handle. Heavy-duty tower crane has to be deployed. So this is a building that to be demolished. So wrap up with external scaffold and cover with safety netting. A tower crane also being used up to hoist up the excavator up because the normal mobile crane cannot reach the rooftop. So this is another unique design happened in Singapore Marina Bay Sands, wall climbing passenger hoist. Due to the unique slanting of the building, so the passenger hoist, so-called alimak, has to be mounted against the wall. Then a lot of the temporary steel beam still bridge to deploy for the material and the workers going to the building. Monorail to hoist the glass facade. This is called mask climber for the arcade stage finishing and the facade cladding installation. Material loading platform to enable the arcade and M&E material being hoisted into the floors that has been already constructed, yet is not open to sky. External cladding and the external scaffolding for the safety provision. High shoring to achieve the high void volume at the ground floor. Another high void to achieve like a scare park effect. Column for the on top of the scaffold to have view volume. Table form being hoisting and hoisting directly to the next floor, called as a flying table. Okay, so this is a knock-out panel leading to the MRT station. Another type of knock-out panel leading to the MRT station. Some of the unique design for this one is bar for the covered drain for the heavy machinery crossing in the future. Slanting column to achieve the unique facade design. Mega truss to tie up all the columns together to achieve the high void. This is a curved escalator. In Singapore, there is only 2 units. Some other for the neat construction always happen in Europe as well as Australia and the USA. Singapore seldom happen, which means that the facade is so neat that the lower floor even can early stay in, while on top still having construction. So even when they do the basement, you can see that the whole job site is so neat. Some quality learning. For glass door, the top and the bottom, the glass ring portion is a weak point. if the glass is not well treated, so a lot of the breakage can happen. So this is the ALC blocks used for external wall, but in order to overcome the high water absorption, so waterproofing coating to protect it to be deployed. Some of the maintenance slides. Spider boom lift is always a good choice to do the internal roof maintenance instead of the everywhere go for so-called BMU. Spider boom lift